Which theory regarding the origin of the universe is most widely accepted by modern scientists?
Big Bang Theory.
Who officially proposed the nebular hypothesis concerning the origin of the Earth and solar system?
Laplace.
What is the approximate age of our solar system, including the Sun and planets?
4.6 billion years.
Which of the following elements is the most abundant in the composition of the whole Earth by weight?
Iron.
The boundary between the crust and the mantle of the Earth is known by which name?
Mohorovičić discontinuity.
The average thickness of the continental crust is approximately
30 to 40 kilometers.
Which layer of the Earth's interior is responsible for generating the planet's magnetic field through the geodynamo effect?
Liquid outer core.
The ciel layer of the Earth's crust is predominantly composed of which two minerals?
Silicon and aluminum.
What type of seismic waves can pass through both solid and liquid mediums inside the Earth?
P waves.
The asthenosphere, which is a highly viscous and mechanically weak region of the upper mantle, lies at what approximate depth?
100 to 400 kilometers.
Which of the following planets is categorized as a terrestrial or rocky planet?
Mars.
Which planet in the solar system has the highest average density?
Earth.
The asteroid belt is located between the orbits of which two planets?
Mars and Jupiter.
Which planet is known as Earth's twin due to its similar size, mass, and composition?
Venus.
The unique planetary phenomenon known as retrograde rotation, spinning from east to west, is exhibited by
Venus.
which planet has the shortest day length or fastest rotational speed in the solar system?
Jupiter.
The highest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is a massive shield volcano located on which planet?
Mars.
Which planet in our solar system has the highest number of confirmed natural satellites, moons?
Saturn.
The famous Great Red Spot is a persistent high-pressure storm observed on the surface of which planet?
Jupiter.
Which planet appears distinctly blue-green in color due to the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere?
Uranus.
The minimum distance between the Sun and the Earth during its annual elliptical orbit is called
Perihelion.
On which approximate date does the Earth reach its perihelion position closest to the Sun?
3rd January.
The point in the Moon's orbit where it is farthest from the Earth is technically termed as
Apogee.
What is the approximate time taken by sunlight to reach the Earth's surface?
8 minutes 20 seconds.
The visible glowing surface of the Sun that we see from Earth is known as the
Photosphere.
The outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere, visible only during a total solar eclipse, is called the
corona.
What is the primary nuclear reaction mechanism that generates energy inside the core of the Sun?
Nuclear fusion.
The cyclic variation in the number of sunspots on the solar surface follows a period of approximately how many years?
11 years.
Streams of charged particles, electrons and protons, ejected from the upper atmosphere of the Sun are called
Solar winds.
the spectacular light display in the Earth's high-latitude sky caused by solar particles colliding with atmospheric gases is called
Aurora.
What is the precise term used for the alignment of three celestial bodies in a straight gravitational line, such as the Sun, Earth, and Moon?
SYZYGY.
A total solar eclipse occurs only on which specific lunar phase night?
New moon.
What causes the phenomenon of blood moon during a total lunar eclipse?
Refraction of sunlight through Earth's atmosphere.
The time period of one complete revolution of the Moon around the Earth relative to the stars is called a
Sidereal month.
The Sea of Tranquility, Mare Tranquillitatis, a famous basaltic plain, is located on which celestial body?
The moon.
Halley's Comet is a periodic comet that returns to the inner solar system and becomes visible from Earth once every
76 years.
The fast-moving streaks of light produced when small space debris burns up upon entering Earth's atmosphere are commonly called
Meteors.
What is the name of the nearest major spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way galaxy?
Andromeda.
Which dwarf planet, formerly classified as the ninth planet, was reclassified by the IAU in 2006?
Pluto.
Which planet has a density so low that it could theoretically float if placed in a giant body of water?
Saturn.
Which planet is often called the red planet due to the widespread presence of iron oxide on its surface?
Mars.
Which planet has the highest surface temperature in the solar system due to a runaway greenhouse effect?
Venus.
What is the exact value of the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, defined as one astronomical unit, AU?
93 million miles, 150 million kilometer.
The thermal boundary layer that separates the Earth's core from the mantle is popularly known as the
D'' layer.
The velocity required for an object to permanently escape the gravitational pull of a celestial body like Earth is called
Escape velocity.
Which of the following lines separates the Earth's atmosphere from outer space, located at an altitude of 100 kilometers?
Kármán line.
The process by which the early Earth separated into distinct layers based on density is called
Differentiation.
What is the name of the largest moon in the solar system, which orbits the planet Jupiter?
Ganymede.
Which moon of Jupiter is highly covered in ice and widely believed to host a vast subsurface liquid water ocean?
Europa.
The volcanic moon Io, known for having the highest volcanic activity in the solar system, orbits which planet?
Jupiter.
Which unique structural feature distinguishes the planet Uranus regarding its rotation axis?
It is tilted by almost 98 degrees.
The major natural satellite, Triton, which exhibits a unique retrograde orbit, belongs to which planet?
Neptune.
The primary gas responsible for the dense, toxic atmosphere of Venus, creating its extreme greenhouse effect?
Carbon dioxide.
The division or gap located between the two brightest rings of Saturn, ring A and ring B, is named
Cassini division.
which celestial body is known to have a highly eccentric orbit that causes it to cross inside Neptune's orbit periodically?
Pluto.
The group of icy bodies and dwarf planets located just beyond the orbit of Neptune is called the
Kuiper belt.
Which spacecraft became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in August 2012?
Voyager 1.
The actual shape of the Earth is not a perfect sphere but is precisely described as a
Oblate spheroid.
The equatorial diameter of the Earth is larger than its polar diameter by approximately how many kilometers?
43 kilometers.
The percentage of the Sun's incident light reflected back into space by a planet's surface or atmosphere is called
Albedo.
Which planet in the solar system has the lowest albedo, reflecting very little sunlight?
Mercury.
The violent explosion of a dying massive star that briefly outshines an entire galaxy is called a
Supernova.
What type of compact stellar remnant is formed when a star like our Sun runs out of nuclear fuel?
White dwarf.
The incredibly dense remnant of a collapsed massive star composed almost entirely of neutrons is called a
Neutron star.
A rapidly rotating neutron star that emits regular beams of electromagnetic radiation from its poles is a
Pulsar.
The unit of astronomical distance equal to the distance that light travels in one vacuum year is the
Light year.
Which unit of distance is largest in astronomical measurements?
Parsec.
1 parsec is approximately equal to how many light years?
3.26 light years.
The sudden, massive release of magnetic energy from the Sun's atmosphere producing intense radiation is a
Solar flare.
What is the name of NASA's historic flyby mission that provided the first close-up images of Pluto in 2015?
New Horizons.
Which ISRO mission successfully placed a spacecraft in orbit around Mars on its very first attempt in 2014?
Mangalyaan MOM.
The point where the gravitational forces of two large bodies balance out, allowing a spacecraft to remain in a fixed position, is A.
Lagrange point.
The imaginary surface of equal gravitational potential that matches the global mean sea level of the Earth is called the
Geoid.
Which physical law explains that planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun at one of the focuses?
Kepler's first law.
The time taken by a planet to complete one full revolution around the Sun is directly related to its distance by which law?
Kepler's third law.
Which planet exhibits the highest orbital velocity due to its extreme proximity to the Sun?
Mercury.
The phenomenon where a planet appears to move backward across the sky from the perspective of Earth is called
Retrograde motion.
What is the name of the process by which planets form through the collisional accumulation of smaller dust and rock particles?
Accretion.
Which element makes up the largest percentage of the Earth's crust by weight?
Oxygen.
The transition zone between the upper mantle and the lower mantle inside the Earth is located roughly between
410 to 660 kilometers.
The Gutenberg discontinuity forms the structural boundary between which two layers of the Earth?
Mantle and outer core.
What type of tectonic boundary occurs where two plates slide horizontally past one another?
Transform boundary.
The mechanical layer of the Earth that includes the entire crust and the topmost brittle layer of the upper mantle is the
Lithosphere.
Which chemical layer of the Earth's interior is dominated by rocks rich in silicon and magnesium, SiMa?
Oceanic crust.
What is the approximate average density of the entire Earth combined?
5.5 gcm superscript 3.
The phenomenon where the Earth's magnetic north and south poles completely swap locations over geological time scales is called
Geomagnetic reversal.